Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, you might not have permission to use this network resource fix in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. Type Credential Manager in Windows search bar, click Credential Manager. Select Windows Credentials, click Add a Windows Credential. Type IP address for shared computer, username, and password, click OK. Right-click Start button, click Run, type / IP address for shared computer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.